In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a collaborator to your Wix website. If you're building a site with a team or simply need a little help managing content, inviting a collaborator is the safest and most organized way to share access. I'll walk you through the exact path inside your Wix account and explain what each choice means so you can keep your site secure while getting the help you need. Start on your site dashboard. This is the main control center you see after selecting your website in Wix. On the left-hand side, look for the menu and click Settings. Think of Settings as the place where you manage who can do what on your site, along with other key controls. Inside Settings, go to Roles and Permissions. This section is dedicated to access management. It shows who already has permission to work on your site and what each person can do. This is where you add new collaborators and keep your roles organized. Next, click Invite Collaborators. This opens a simple form for sending an invitation. You'll enter the person's email address, and Wix will use that to send them a secure invite. It's best to double-check the email for accuracy to avoid delays, and consider letting the person know you've sent it so they can watch for it in their inbox. Now, select their role. Roles are important because they limit access to only what the collaborator needs. For example, you might choose a role that allows someone to edit pages and blog posts, but doesn't let them change billing details or site ownership. Pick the role that aligns with their responsibilities, whether they'll be editing content, managing products, handling bookings, or viewing analytics. Assigning the right role protects your site and keeps your workflow clean. When you're ready, click Send Invite. At this point, your part is done, and you'll wait for them to accept. They'll receive an email with a link to join. If they don't already have a Wix account, they'll be prompted to create one as part of accepting the invitation. If the invite doesn't appear right away, remind them to check their spam or promotions folder. Once they accept, they'll be able to sign in and access exactly what their role allows. Nothing more, nothing less. If needs change later, you can always return to the same roles and permissions area to review who has access and make adjustments. That's the full process. From your site dashboard, go to Settings, open Roles and Permissions, click Invite Collaborators, enter their email, choose the right role, and send the invite. Keep roles tight, communicate the invite, and you're set.